Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the Ps4, signing into your account, and making sure the console uses a stable Wi-Fi network. This reduces lag when loading heavy pages. Once done, open the Ps4 internet browser from library or by selecting Applications. This is your gateway. Make sure to tap the browser's options and choose Request Desktop Site so websites render like on a PC. This gives you access to desktop web apps and Google services, even though Chrome itself can't be installed on Ps4. You now navigate to Google. And switch to the desktop view so the site serves a desktop layout. This mimics many Chrome features like Google Drive and Gmail. Sign into your Google account to access bookmarks and cloud files. This is how you keep continuity with Chrome on other devices. For precision, plug in a USB keyboard and mouse. They dramatically improve tab switching and text entry on the Ps4 browser. Once comfortable, you can open multiple tabs and use the browser's controls to manage them. When the built-in browser won't do, you stream real Chrome from your PC to the Ps4. This gives full extension and media support. To do that, enable remote access on your PC, run Chrome, then start a PlayStation Share Play session with a friend or use an HDMI capture/stream setup to display the PC on your TV through the Ps4. Make sure ports and firewall settings allow the connection, and if video stutters, reduce resolution or close background apps. That fixes most latency problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.